Aldo fam, and welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to make the cutest tote bag for an American doll or any 18 inches tall doll. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. So I already pre-cut all the pieces that I will need today. I have two fabric squares right here, and it's about 5 inches by 5, and that is actually a leftover fabric from a previous tutorial. Also have this ribbon that I purchased from Joann's, and this is optional if you don't want to add a decorative ribbon. It's totally fine. So I basically just going to top stitch it on the fabric squares. After that, I am going to trim off any excess ribbons. And then I'm going to sew the two pieces together. Right sides of the fabrics are facing each other. So I'm just going to sew this right here, leaving the top open because obviously this is a purse. Then I'll go ahead and trim off any excess fabric. To give the purse a flat bottom, I am going to simply sew a straight line on the end of the seam right here. And then I am going to stitch it across. I will repeat the same step on the other side seam, and it should look something like this. Now it's time to finish the top of the purse. I'm simply just going to fold it once and then sew it all the way around. I have two strips of fabrics that measure 6 inches long and it's 1 inch wide. So I'm simply just going to fold the raw edge in just like so. And then I'm going to sew a straight stitch. After that, it's time to sew them on the purse. So I'm just going to eyeball it where I want them and then sew it in place. And here I am sewing a square stitch. So basically it's just the teeniest square I could make. And here is the final product. I absolutely love it. It looks like a handbag on a teddy bear and it's a perfect tote bag for an American doll or any 18 inches tall doll. Thanks so much for watching and I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new video every week. Until then, see you next time. Bye!